0 minus 0 is how much?
0.
Now 0 minus 7 is not possible. So what we will do it? We
We
will
will
borrow. We will borrow.
borrow.
We will borrow from the
So
fourth
become
one.
10 and then 4 will become 3.
Yes.
10 minus 7 is 3.
3 minus 1.
3 minus 1 is 2.
Next.
230.
Very nice. Now 0 minus 7 is possible.
No.
So what I will do it?
Become 10.
And then next one, 0 will become 9. And 9 don't have a number, so you will take it from the side. The number 6 will become 5. Because 0 don't have a number. What 0 don't have a number? So they borrow it out. 10 minus 7?
10 minus 7 is 3.
9 minus 2?
9 minus 2 is 7.
5 minus 3?
5 minus 3 is 2.
Good boy. Now 0 minus 7 is not possible. So he will take out a number from the 0. But 0 don't have a number. So he'll go to
So become 9.
Yes, this will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 7?
Wait, and you write the 10 minus 7 is 3.
9 minus 2?
9 minus 2 is 7.
1?
3 minus 1 is 2.
Good.
9, this has to be borrowed to 10.
And 9 will become 8.
9 will become 8. Right.
10 minus 9?
10 minus 9 is 1.
8 minus 5?
8 minus 5 is 3.
0 minus 5. See, 500 minus 55. So first 0 is not possible, no number. Second 0 also don't have a number. So
Will become 10, 9.
And 5 will become 4. 10 minus 5?
10 minus 5 is 5.
9 minus 5?
9 minus 4.
And last one 4 as it is.
445.
Yes. Now 30 minus 13.
10 minus 3 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. 17.
Very nice. Good girl. Next sum.
3 will become 2. And it will become 9, then 10.
Very nice.
10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8.
Right.
2 minus 1 is 1.
Good.